Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add cash on delivery inside of Shopify. Before getting started with today's tutorial, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is that you need to log in into Shopify. Then you need to go into settings. And from inside of settings, you need to go into payments. Inside of payments, you need to scroll down. And then you need to come into manual payment methods. From here, you will select cash on delivery. And here you can add some additional tips that you are going to be notifying to customers whenever they're going to be using this method in order to check out. So if you wish to add something, you can add it into both these columns. And since I don't want to give any specific instructions to my customers, I'm just going to click on activate cash on delivery. So as you can see, cash on delivery has now been activated and your customers can easily check out by using this particular payment method. So that was an easy method on how to add cash on delivery into your Shopify website. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications and giving this video a giant thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.